Beirut port explosion. Welcome to this case study. This case study is based on Forensic Architecture Investigation Report. On August 4, 2020, a devastating blast happened in Lebanon's capital city of Beirut, killing over 200 people and wounding over 6,500 people. The massive explosion caused by the detonation of a large depository of ammonium nitrate that had been stored unsafely at a warehouse in the city's port since 2014. It was one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in the history. See these pictures. Ammonium nitrate is a crystal-like white solid commonly used as a source of nitrogen for agricultural fertilizer. But it can also be combined with fuels to create an explosive used in the mining and construction industries. Militants have made bombs with it in the past. Experts say that ammonium nitrate is relatively safe when stored properly. But if you have a large amount of material lying around for a long time, it begins to decay. The real problem is that with prolonged time, it will absorb little bits of moisture and eventually turns into an enormous rock. This makes it more dangerous because in case of a fire reaches it, the chemical reaction will be much more intense. The disaster was preceded by a large fire at the port of Beirut on the city's northern Mediterranean coast. Shortly after 18 hours, the roof of the warehouse caught alight and there was a large initial explosion followed by a series of small blasts that some witnesses said sounded like fireworks going off. About 30 seconds later, there was a big explosion that sent a mushroom cloud into the air and supersonic blast wave radiating through the city. The blast destroyed the immediate dockside area, creating a crater approximately 140 meters wide, which flooded with seawater. The warehouse where the initial fire and explosions were observed was fully damaged and an adjacent grain silo was heavily damaged. Satellite images show complete devastation in the port area, with one ship apparently blown out of the water and into the dockside. Based on an analysis of videos, a team from University of Sheffield estimated that the explosion was equivalent of 1,000 to 1,500 tons of TNT, about a tenth of the intensity of the nuclear bomb dropped in Hiroshima 1945. $2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate that had been stored unsafely at a warehouse in the port. A similar amount of chemical arrived on a Moldovan-flagged cargo ship MV Rochas, which docked in Beirut 2013 after suffering technical problems while sailing from Georgia to Mozambique. The Rochas was inspected, banned from leaving, and was shortly afterwards abandoned by its owners, according to shiparrested.com. The cargo was reportedly transferred to warehouse following a court order and should have been disposed or resold. Why this incident happened? It was negligence. The ship of ammonium nitrate was seized in 2014 from a ship abandoned by Russian businessman. Beirut Port General Manager told reporters that the material was put in the warehouse under court order after the ship owner went bankrupt. He said he knew the material could be dangerous, but not to this degree. A London-based research team, Forensic Architecture, has released the result of an investigation that details the events and failure that led to one of the largest non-nuclear explosions in the history. Through the analysis of images and videos, forensic architecture was able to locate the source of smoke plumes, fires, and explosion at the port, and to map the interior of the warehouse where 2,750 bags of ammonium nitrate were haphazardly stored. The analysis found indication for the presence of flammable materials like fireworks and car tires in close proximity to the cache of ammonium nitrate. According to the investigation, these materials likely helped to detonate about half of the 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate in the warehouse. The analysis also found that many of the warehouse doors and windows were shut, creating a hot temperature areas that brought ammonium nitrate to its combustion point. Ammonium nitrate is extremely difficult to detonate by fire alone, the UN expert said. However, when confined and contaminated, this can lead to catastrophic detonation. In 2015, a forensic expert commissioned by Lebanese court to inspect the storage conditions of the ammonium nitrate reported that 70% of the bags were torn open, their contents spilling out. The Lebanese government reportedly ignored multiple warnings about the unsafe storage of the chemical at the port. Forensic architecture added that the Lebanese authorities have failed to adhere to international codes of safety storage of ammonium nitrate. For example, British regulations limit stacks of ammonium nitrate to 300 tons. Based on such regulations, forensic architecture determined that the stacks that were stored in Beirut port should have been located at a safe distance of 1,750 meters from the closest residential building. These are some similar ammonium nitrate disasters history in the world. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.